to my channel and to another DIY. So today I'm going to be sharing really simple natural moisturizers that you can make at home, and these only require 3 ingredients or less. So whether you're looking for a cream, an oil, or a gel moisturizer, this video covers all of them. So let's go ahead and get started. The first moisturizer I want to share with you guys is my personal favorite and one that I've been using for a really long time. The main ingredient is jojoba oil, and jojoba is actually very similar to the skin's own sebum. This is why I think it works great for any skin type. It helps balance oil production by sort of tricking the skin into producing less oil. It's also absorbed by the skin very easily, so I don't ever find my skin feeling greasy at all. So for a simple moisturizer, you can just apply a few drops of this on its own, or I like to make an oil blend, and this one works especially great for acne-prone skin. So I fill up a small dropper bottle with jojoba oil, and I believe this one is 5 milliliters. And to this I add 3 drops of frankincense essential oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It's a powerful astringent known to reduce acne, prevent wrinkles, and it's also a wonderful scar healer, so it really helps even out the skin tone. I also add 3 drops of lavender essential oil. This is one of my favorite oils because it's not only soothing and relaxing, but it also has natural antiseptic properties and it helps reduce any redness on the skin. So give it a little shake and apply a few drops of this all over your face every morning and night. Now, if you tend to have very dry skin, or if you're just looking for a little extra moisture, this cream moisturizer will do the trick. For this, we'll need a 1/4 cup of shea butter, which is naturally non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. It's loaded with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and fatty acids that will provide you with deep moisture. And it has a natural SPF of 6 to 10, so it makes the perfect facial moisturizer. And to this, we're going to add an 1/8 cup of sweet almond oil. It's loaded with vitamin E, and it's very lightweight, so I think it's the perfect oil to mix with the already moisturizing properties of shea butter. But you could also substitute the almond oil for jojoba or grapeseed oil. So to begin, you want to melt the shea butter using a double boiler, or if you don't have one, you can simply boil some water in a saucepan and then place a bowl on top of that. And then add the shea butter and let it melt completely. Once you've let it cool, you can add the oil and stir it together. Place it in the fridge and let it solidify for approximately 1 hour. Now that it's more firm, remove it from the fridge, and at this point you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils and either stir or whip the mixture until it turns into a creamy consistency. And now you can use this as a day or a night cream. And a little bit of this moisturizer goes a really long way, so you only need to apply a very small amount and you're all set. If you're looking for a light moisturizer for the summertime, or if you have oily skin, aloe vera gel is the way to go. It helps moisturize the skin without leaving it greasy. It's also very soothing. It's traditionally used to treat acne as well as acne scars thanks to its wound healing properties. And it contains tons of antioxidants that help keep the skin nice and firm. So in a container, add equal parts aloe vera gel and jojoba oil, which will also help with the skin's oil production. And lastly, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. And the beauty of DIY skincare is that you can customize it to fit your own needs, so you can add more aloe or oil depending on what works best for you. And now the moisturizer is ready. Just remember to shake it up each time you use it. So now pick whichever moisturizer works best for your skin type and apply after cleansing and toning for really soft and hydrated skin. So those are 3 really simple and natural moisturizers that you can make depending on what your skin needs. So if you found this video helpful, or if you learned something new, don't forget to click the like button. And if you do love making your own skincare products, I also have videos on DIY face cleansers, toners, and exfoliating scrubs. So I'll be sure to link those in the description box below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!